Hey, gorgeous. Yeah, you. I know exactly why you're here. You've typed those magic words into the search bar. How to glow up. And not just any glow up, but a black girl glow up, which, let's be real, is a whole different, magical, and sometimes frustrating ballgame. We're going to talk about the real struggles, the amazing wins, and exactly how to make your inner and outer light shine so bright it needs its own zip code. So, get comfortable. Let's get into it. First things first, let's just take a second to acknowledge the struggle. Because sometimes you just gotta scream into a pillow, say, yup, that happened, and then keep it pushing, right? We've all been there. We're talking about the endless hunt for a foundation that doesn't make you look like you've been dusted with flour or dipped in Cheeto dust. The struggle is so real. Then there's our arch nemesis, humidity. You can spend 2 hours flat ironing your hair to perfection, and the second you take 3 steps outside, poof, it's giving moisture. And let's not even get started on the unsolicited advice from people who have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. Have you ever tried just washing it? Ma'am, bye. But here's the secret, sis. Your glow-up is so powerful precisely because we have to be detectives to find what works for us. We can't just follow any generic tutorial. We have to create our own magic. And when we do, we are absolutely unstoppable. So let's break this down into some manageable, feel-good steps. Let's start with the canvas, your beautiful skin. Our skin is gorgeous, and it deserves to be treated like royalty. The number one rule? Moisture is not the enemy, it's your best friend. Find a rich, buttery moisturizer and a good face oil, like jojoba or squalane, and seal all that hydration in. When your skin is glowing and happy, everything else just sits better. And makeup? The goal is to enhance, not to hide. Please, I am begging you, take the time. Get color matched correctly. Don't be afraid to mix 2 foundations to get your perfect shade. And highlighter? On black skin tones, a gold or bronze highlight looks like heaven itself. You're not just highlighting, you're summoning the sun to your cheekbones. Blind them with your glow. Now, let's talk about your glory. Your hair, whether you're natural, locked, braided, wearing a silk press, or rocking a bomb wig, the ultimate goal is health. And what makes you feel confident? Find a routine that works for your texture, not what that influencer with a completely different hair type is doing. You. That means deep conditioning, low manipulation styles when you need a break, and protecting those edges at night with a satin bonnet or pillowcase. This is non-negotiable. And most importantly, give yourself grace. Some days your hair will be on 100, laid for the gods, and some days it's going to be in a pineapple bun on top of your head, and both of those are absolutely correct and beautiful. Of course, a glow-up isn't complete without talking about style. Fashion is about expressing who you are on the inside, on the outside. Find clothes that make you feel powerful and beautiful. It's not about following every trend. It's about what makes you stand a little taller and walk with a little more swagger. But the most important accessory you will ever wear? Your confidence. Stand up straight. Speak clearly. Own your space. You have every right to be everywhere you are, taking up room unapologetically. And that leads me to the most important part of the glow-up, the inside job. Because a glow-up that's only skin deep is like a house with no foundation. It won't last. You have to feed your soul. This means protecting your peace like it's your favorite pair of sneakers. That might mean muting negative people on social media. Yes, even that, cousin. Curate your feed. Fill it with black joy, black artists, black entrepreneurs, and black women who inspire you. See yourself reflected beautifully every single day. Find your thing that brings you joy outside of your appearance. Read books by Black authors. Listen to podcasts that make you think. Start a journal. Meditate. Dance in your room to your favorite song. Remember who you are outside of what the world sometimes says you are. You are resilient. You are powerful. You are literally descended from royalty. It's time to start acting like it. The world might try to make you feel small or like you have to fit into a box. Your glow up is about setting that box on fire and stepping into your power. It's about recognizing that you were already beautiful and worthy. You're just now giving yourself full permission to see it, to celebrate it, and to shine. So go ahead, sis. Do the thing. Glow so bright, they need sunglasses. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your #1 glow up tip? Drop it in the comments below so we can all build each other up. If this video helped you or made you smile, don't forget to hit that like button and